Our journey begins in the Amazon rainforest, one of the most biologically diverse places on Earth. Hidden within this vast green world are countless creatures, each with an incredible story to tell. On the rainforest floor, every leaf, root, and tiny movement hides a story of life. But one tiny creature here has become famous around the world for the pain of its sting. Among the thousands of ants moving across this damp forest floor, one species stands out. It is the bullet ant, a remarkable Amazonian ant famous for its extraordinarily painful sting. The bullet ant is much larger than many common ants. Its powerful body, sharp mandibles, and long legs give this remarkable insect its distinctive appearance. Its scientific name is Paraponera clavata, growing roughly 18 to 30 millimeters long. This ant is famous for delivering one of the most painful stings known. Just how painful is the bullet ant sting? On the famous Schmidt pain scale, developed by entomologist Justin Schmidt, its sting receives the highest rating, 4 out of 4. The bullet ant uses its sharp stinger to pierce the skin and inject venom. A peptide called ponerotoxin affects nerve cell signaling, producing extremely intense and long-lasting pain. A bullet ant sting is not only extremely painful, but the pain can last for hours. Described as intense burning that comes in waves, it can be incredibly difficult to endure. The pain from a bullet ant sting doesn't disappear quickly. It can feel like intense burning, with waves of pain that rise and fall over time. Ponerotoxin, a peptide in bullet ant venom, affects the nervous system. By disrupting nerve signaling, it produces the ant's characteristic intense pain. The bullet ant is not simply a solitary wanderer. It searches for food through the rainforest and carefully protects the area around its nest. Bullet ant colonies usually build their nests near the base of trees or in the ground. From there, worker ants venture out to find food before returning to the nest. Bullet ants use their powerful sense of smell to search for food through the rainforest. They collect small insects and other food sources and carry them back to the colony. When food is found, bullet ants work together to break it into pieces and carry it back to the nest. There, the food is shared with other members of the colony. When their nest is threatened, bullet ants react quickly. Once they detect danger, they defend themselves with powerful bites and their formidable sting. The bullet ant spends its life among the wet soil, trees, and leaves of the Amazon rainforest. Even this tiny creature plays a role in the rainforest food web and ecological balance. Although it may look small, the bullet ant plays an important role in its environment. Its interactions with other organisms are part of the Amazon's complex food web. Rain, wet ground, and changing conditions are all part of life in the Amazon. Yet the bullet ant is remarkably well adapted to survive in this challenging environment. Bullet ants communicate using chemical signals. By following scent trails, they can help locate food and navigate between foraging areas and the nest. The bullet ant may be small, but its story is extraordinary. From its powerful sting to its role in the Amazon ecosystem, this tiny creature reveals just how incredible the rainforest really is. The Amazon is home to countless creatures like this. The story of the bullet ant ends here, but the mysteries of this rainforest are only beginning. When their colony is threatened, bullet ants become alert immediately. Many ants work together to protect the nest and confront the intruder. When a bullet ant finds food, it carries it back toward the nest. These food resources also help support life throughout the colony. The Amazon rainforest is a vast ecosystem. Plants, insects, birds, frogs, trees, and water are all interconnected, supporting one another in a complex web of life. The bullet ant also plays a role in the Amazon ecosystem. By preying on smaller organisms, it becomes part of the rainforest food web. Even through the rain-soaked Amazon forest, the bullet ant keeps moving. Water, mud, and wet leaves are simply part of its challenging environment. This is the bullet ant, a creature with extraordinary power packed into a tiny body. Its sting is famous for being among the most intensely painful insect stings known. This is the Amazon, home to countless extraordinary creatures. In this vast rainforest, even the tiny bullet ant plays its own role, becoming a small but important part of this incredible ecosystem.